I'm going to be painting a cute portrait in acrylic painting for this last phase of the 29 phases in February, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to the I Love to Paint channel. This is your friend Martha. My plan for this day is going to paint a beautiful person inside and out, and I hope it portrays what I see in her in my style, which is whimsical, cutesy. The palette for today is going to be flesh color, purple, lavender, and pink, blue, and yellow green. That's some of my favorite palette right there. It's some of my favorite colors, and I'm not telling you who this person is until you identify it, and if you don't identify it, I don't know what I'm going to do. Besides having fun, right? And if you like it, click like and share. Enjoy your stay. I'm going to be painting a cute portrait with acrylic paints, so if you are art inclined and love mixed media, acrylic painting tutorials, art journaling, and illustrations, sketches, stay tuned and check on the playlist that I have all over this channel, full of tutorials and cute things. Okay, this is my sketch, but you'll be sure who it is when you see the colors. I am sure of that. What do you think? Do you like it? I just want to say thank you, Cinnamon, the art Sherpa, for all you do, for all the help you bring to others, for all the things that you teach in your channel. And if by any chance you don't know who the art Sherpa is, I will leave a link in the information down below so you can visit her awesome channel. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. And remember, more than anything else, keep your paintbrush wet. See you in the next one.